Professor Big Brain here. Did you know that sea turtles are some of the oldest animals on Earth? They've been around for over 200 million years. They even hung out with the dinosaurs. It's hatchling time, and baby turtles are cracking out of their eggs. Looks like this guy's a little shell-shocked.
What?
Go, buddy, go! Once they break out, it's a race to the ocean to begin their big adventures. Sea turtles are awesome swimmers. Their strong flippers help them zoom through the water like underwater jet skis. And their webbed feet, perfect for steering. When it comes to snacks, sea turtles aren't picky. They munch on shrimp, crab, jellyfish, seaweed, even shellfish. Here's something super cool. Turtles breathe air, just like us, but they can hold their breath for a really long time. Some can stay underwater for up to 7 hours. And get this, sea turtles travel thousands of miles across the ocean during their lives. Talk about world travelers. All right, little turtle buddy, have a great swim. We'll see you later. This is Professor Big Brain saying bye-bye for now. Have you seen our Keep It Positive for Kids colouring and activity books? Well, if you like bugs, animals, outer space, oceans, mermaids, unicorns, princesses, robots, trucks, cars, tractors, or trains, hop on over to Amazon and get your copies today. Just follow the links below.